From the beginning of time, man has wanted to leave an imprint that stretches beyond his life. And this has always been through construction. Building something that sometimes becomes legendary. The wonders of the world have always been things that we've built. And the most amazing wonders today are what we build using creativity and concrete. The 7 wonders of the 21st century. Construction has come a long way. Pulleys have been replaced with cranes, wood with reinforced steel, and laborers carrying concrete on their heads have made way for far more efficient concrete pumps. As the world's largest concrete pump company, we're happy to share our view on the 7 wonders of the 21st century. San Francisco was shattered by an earthquake in 1989. It measured 6.9 on the Richter scale and destroyed the Oakland Bay Bridge. The new design had to be more earthquake resistant and built with minimum disruption to existing traffic. Today, the new bridge carries 250,000 vehicles a day and is the longest and tallest self-anchored suspension span bridge in the world. The Sydney Opera House was built in the 1970s and refurbished in 2010. The challenge was to build the famous concrete shells, which were all in different shapes, and to do so economically. A brilliant solution was found. To create them all from just one giant ball of concrete. Over 2,000 sections of concrete were used, of over 15 tons each, to build this wonder down under. We now come to the world's second tallest structure, the 2,080-foot-high Tokyo Sky Tower. Built in an earthquake-prone zone with weak foundation soil, it is specially designed to survive quakes measuring 8 on the Richter scale. In fact, it survived a quake during its construction itself, when the top swayed 20 feet from side to side, but it held firm, like it continues to do today. The road to bypass the Hoover Dam has made as much history as the dam itself. This required concrete to be pumped in from 2 different states, actually from 2 different time zones, virtually into mid-air. A feat that then created the largest archway in the Western Hemisphere. The Panama Canal was among the wonders of the world a century ago. But its new 3rd canal deserves to be on the list again. Earlier, Panama could only take ships carrying 5,000 containers each. But the giant 3rd canal will now accept ships that are almost half a kilometer long and carry 13,000 containers each. Over 4 million cubic meters of concrete, one of the largest amounts anywhere, have been poured to create this mammoth marvel of engineering. Qinghai, Tibet, is probably the greatest rail engineering feat in the world. This involves 2,000 kilometers of railway line, where half is at more than 13,000 feet above sea level, and 1/3 is on permafrost that's solid in winter and slushy in summer. It's also the highest railway line in the world, reaching an altitude of 16,600 feet above sea level, higher than the summit of Mont Blanc. Passengers on the train get oxygen masks. So you can imagine what the machines and people who built it had to go through. Perhaps the most famous building in the world today, and certainly the tallest by far, the Burj Khalifa, required the invention of new technologies. This 2,722-foot building is 6 degrees cooler at the top than the base. And concrete had to be pumped a world record 2,000 vertical feet up. Moreover, once pumped, the concrete had to be laid at night and put under ice for it to set properly. The Burj is an inspiration to architects, dreamers, and visionaries everywhere. One thing common to these 7 wonders of modern construction is that each of these were built with the help of our concrete pumping technologies. So whether it's your next project on this planet or when man goes off planet, we'd like to be there, helping shape the next building to last for generations. There is always a choice. You can build it ordinary, or you can build it legendary. Build your own wonder of the world. Putzmister. Built better to build it better.